Alright, what's up everyone? Jackie YBT here. Tech away, tech everything. Right now I'm going towards the Samsung store at the Curve Mall. Okay, I'm gonna show you some new phone. So I just arrived to the store. Take a look at the new A56. So take a look, it's pretty light. That's because they make it lighter, like 15 grams lighter than the previous generation. Weight at 195 grams and also thinner, about 0.8 millimeter thinner, measure at 7.4 millimeter thickness. For the A56, you get the aluminum design with IP68 water resistant. The front and the back of A56 are both glass with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Sadly, the back of the phone is made out of glossy glass finish instead of the matte one that you can find on the iPhone 16. It's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. The rest are using the plastic. So if you want aluminum and glass construction, then you have to go for the A56. For the frame itself, we still retain the, what you call this, like concave kind of shape, but they refine it even better. Like it's not too obvious compared to the last year model. So this year is thinner, it feels lighter on your hand. That 15 grams definitely feel difference. And the front, by the looks of it, it looks like the same as last year model, but actually it's like tiny bit thinner bezel compared to last year. That's because the screen is slightly larger at 6.7 inches compared to last year 6.6. You still get that big old chin, uneven bezel. All right, same resolution, Full HD Plus, Super AMOLED, 120 Hz, but the brightness is slightly brighter than the last year model, about 200 nits brighter. Right now, yeah, I'm playing like Full HD videos, and at its peak brightness, 1200 nits. As you can see, it's not doing a good job at minusing the glare issues. There's no anti-glare filter on the display. Yeah, I mean, you're not gonna get S25 Ultra level of screen for a mid-range price. I mean, the S25 and S25 Plus don't even get that. So this, you're not gonna get it for sure. Yeah. Okay, the viewing angle. But I mean, the color looks bright, looks colorful, you know, very vibrant, saturated. That's the characteristic of a Super AMOLED display. It's just the glare situation, yeah, not so good. Of course, you can crank up the brightness even more by choosing the adaptive brightness in the display setting here. Yeah. So it's much more visible in a bright daylight. Okay. Yeah, you can see the difference. The biggest changes is at the back, which they redesigned the camera module. It looks pretty cool. I prefer this design compared to the last year one, and it's separate from the design of the S series, because the last year A55, it's kind of like mimic the S series phone. So I'm glad that Samsung make a differentiate between the A series and the S series, and this looks much better than the S series camera design. At the back camera, it has a triple camera system. The main camera is 50 megapixel. It's a wide-angle lens, and the second one is the 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and the third one, which is the 5 megapixel macro lens. Just ignore the macro lens, 5 megapixel. Get the job done, but nothing much. The main camera is something you should focus on. It still remains the same megapixel count at the back, but the front they downgraded from 32 megapixel down to 12 megapixel for the front-facing camera. But they added the Super HDR feature. Not sure it's gonna help the selfie a lot or not, because from 32 megapixel down to 12 is kind of a big downgrade. The main camera, the 50 megapixel wide angle lens, supports OIS, optical image stabilization, And the rest of the cameras, no, they don't support OIS, only digital stabilization. And the video recording main camera can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second, full 1080p 30 frames and 60 frames per second. As for the front-facing camera, you can shoot up to 4K 30 frames per second, 1080p 30 and 60 frames per second. No autofocus, no OIS. The processor will be the Exynos 1580. I'm not a big fan of Exynos. It is what it is. Also, the colors. This year, it comes with 4 different colors and all called Awesome. Yeah, Awesome Light Gray. This is the Awesome Light Gray, Awesome Graphite, Awesome Olive, and Awesome Pink. Yeah. So I don't know why they continue to use the awesome. Maybe it's because everything is awesome.
Everything is awesome.
Yeah, that's their marketing term. Another awesome is Awesome Intelligent, which you don't get the Galaxy AI, but you do get the basic AI feature like the circle to search, object eraser, edit suggestion, and mind filter. And for this particular model, the A56 5G, you get some additional exclusive feature like the auto trim, best face, and instant slow-mo. And for the battery capacity is still the same as 5000 mAh, same as last year, but the battery life improved by a little bit. Like you get extra 1 hour more video playback compared to the last year model. So 29 versus 28 hours. As for the software, it's running the latest Android 15 with One UI 7 on top of it. And Samsung promised that you will get at least 6 years of security upgrades and 6 times OS upgrades. So that's pretty good for a mid-range phone, like really strong software support. I would say it's on par with Apple software support. Yeah, that's great. So you can use it for a long period of time without worry about your phone getting obsolete. Quick thumbs up to that for Samsung doing that. They could have like just make it like 3 years of software support and call it a day. But 6 years, that's pretty good. So as for the price, it comes with 2 models. One is the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage option, which is 1999. And the 12GB RAM and the 256GB storage option for 2199. But currently they're doing discount, so like 200 ringgit discount. Some other goodies like the 100 ringgit exclusive e-voucher, 2 times storage upgrade, 1 year extended warranty, and purchase with purchase about 30%. So the discount will be starting 18th of March until 31st of March. So this is the end of the video. At first, I really wanted to film the rest of the 2 models, which is the Galaxy A26 and A36. Unfortunately, I asked the staff. They say they don't know when those 2 models gonna arrive in Malaysia. Right now it's A56 ready at the store. There's no sample demo set for you to test it out at the moment for the A36 and A26. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.